Okay, Keith, what job do you work at on McDonald's?
I wash the dishes.
Alright, and what stories do you have to tell?
Oh god. Oh god. I will come in at about 4 in the afternoon, and there will still be crap that should have been taken care of. 2 in the afternoon that same day. Seriously, that is true. See, the weird thing is on Fridays, they will schedule me at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. When the truth is, they need me at 10 in the morning. So, when I get there, there is still stuff from the morning shift that is not done. You who eat at McDonald's have no clue the truly nasty crap that gets left over from the stuff that you don't eat.
Wyatt, we should go eat at Keith's McDonald's and give him some work to do.
I want you two to try and bankrupt McDonald's if you can. Bankrupt them so I don't have to pay and work there.
Would you care to specify any of this nasty stuff that apparently is back there?
Yes. I will specify. In case your sister Madeline did not make you aware, there's a thing called the UHC, which is a cabinet that is hot. Now, when your nasty, greasy meat comes off of the grill, it goes into this cabinet. It sits in these little plastic trays that are heated by the cabinet until they are pulled out to be put on your burger. Now, of course, during the breakfast period, they don't have burgers, they have the sausage stuff, but oh god, that stuff is even nastier! Because sausage has a lot of grease. So, I'll come in at 4, and if there is still breakfast up there, there is guaranteed to be at least 3 sausage patties, and about sausage patties equivalent in grease to really make my day horrible. Oh, and for those of you who like the McDonald's breakfast burrito, oh dear, there is a whole tray that goes in the friggin' heated cabinet about that. So there's about a tray, yay by yay, so there. So basically 3 inches by a little over 18 inches tray filled with whatever goes into your breakfast burritos there. What will happen then is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, because they won't have a person in the mornings to take care of that. There'll be some unfortunate bastard like me who will have to come in there at 4 and scrape that nasty crap out of there by hand. Thank God there's not any of that under my fingernails right now, because I'd be so using that to demonstrate right now.
Will we go out to the septic tank?
Oh
no. Now, understanding of a story about an 8-inch long hair, would you like to tell us about that?
Oh my god. That happened earlier today. I don't know how this got in there, but there was an 8-inch long hair in the stuff that I was sorting into the main soap, like, you know, like tank of suds used to clean everything. I put the hair into the garbage, to be clear, but my God. The fact that there was even an 8-inch hair that I had to contend with today was just horrendous.
I will warn you, people. I will warn you, do not eat at McDonald's.
If you have a rational, ethical, or moral bone in your body, you will refuse to eat at McDonald's. Period. End of story. Cut.